Hi everyone, this is Lori from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to be remaking a video that I had done years and years ago, and I ended up deleting it about 3 years ago, and I was sorry I did afterwards. There was some stuff going on YouTube at that time, and so a lot of creators deleted a lot of their videos because they weren't too sure at that time about certain rules. I won't get into it, but I thought you'd be okay with me remaking this video. I hope you are. These are the little Be My Honey Valentine treats that I made, and this was really easy to put together. I just used the swirl heart lollipops from the Dollar Tree, but you can use any little heart-shaped lollipops you want. So I'll show you how to make this. Now, the first thing I did was I chose 2 chenille stems, one in black and one in pink. You can use black and yellow, black and purple, anything you want, but this is just what I chose for today. And of course, these chenille pipe cleaners are 12 inches long, but you're going to cut them at 6 inches. Okay, and so I'm going to set these aside right here. Pull off a little bit of the fuzz at the ends here. Now you're going to try to even these up, and then just at the very end you're going to twist it a few times just to make it stick. And you want this side by side. You're going to go all the way down, and you're going to twist this a few times here, just like we did at the top. And we're doing just the very ends, okay? Alright, so now we have what looks like this. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a Sharpie pen, alright, and you're going to wrap this around snugly, like this. Alright, make sure it's nice and snug. Now you're going to push everything together. Alright, and then take that out. Now you're going to take your round nose pliers and give it a little twist and hide it inside, like that. And you're going to do the same thing here. Okay. Here we go. So we have our little bee, and you can decide which end you want to put the eyes at. I think I'm just going to leave this for the back end because this little pink part here is sticking out. I'm going to use this as the front. Okay. So what you're going to do is take some 8mm wiggle eyes. And I found this at Hobby Lobby, and it wasn't in the section that I thought it was going to be in. I thought it would be in with the kids' things, you know, but it wasn't there. It was right where the dollhouse miniatures are, where the doll hair and all that other stuff. It was in there. So I thought that was a little unusual, but I thought I'd let you know just in case your Hobby Lobby has theirs in that department. So I'm just going to use 2 of these with my Fabri-Tac glue. Alrighty, so here we go. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put wings on your little bee. And let me close the top to this Fabri-Tac first before I do that. I don't like having the cap off and just letting it sit there to dry out. Okay, so these little hearts, I'm sure you've seen them. They carry them at the Dollar Tree, and they are in two different sizes. They have the larger ones, and then of course they have the smaller ones. And the smaller ones are just about an inch across at the widest point and about an inch in length. Okay? Alright. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our scissors, and I'm going to cut off just about this much. Okay? This is going to be the bee's little wings. And put just the tiniest amount at the bottom, and right up here at the front, towards the front, we're going to open the bee up a little bit, right here, because that's where the wings are going to go. And I'm messing up the eyes. Okay, so here we go. And so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little tiny heart right on the corner right here of the wings. Alright, so let's get that little tiny heart. These are teeny weeny. And they do have adhesive on the back, but I just want to make doubly sure that this won't come off. There we go. And excuse my voice for being a little gravelly today. My sinuses were acting up a little bit when I woke up, so yeah. Okay. Alrighty. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our little pink pipe cleaner that we cut, and I'm going to put a little bit of Fabri-Tac in it and slide it right in there. Okay? So I'm going to put just a little bit here. You don't need a ton. We're going to open up the bee and slide it in. So I think I will make I will allow this to dry. I'm also going to adjust these eyes a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to allow this to dry before I do anything else, and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I used the 10 count bag lollipops from the Dollar Tree, and these are the swirled heart pops. You can use any kind of heart lollipop you'd like, but this is just what I chose. And then you're also going to need these little felt sticky hearts, or I should say sticker hearts. I bought these buy the bag at Hobby Lobby for $2.99, but I didn't pay $2.99 because I got them for 40% off. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to peel this paper off. It's very, very sticky, as you can tell. And I'm going to place this right over here. Okay, and so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take our little bee, and this is completely dry now, and place this little bee just a little bit above the heart. I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to wrap this at the bottom of the heart, the pipe cleaner, like that. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is take a little piece of tape, just to tack it down like that. Alright, so let me get some of the clear cellophane tape. Make sure it's centered above this. There we go, and you can't see the tape. So we have what looks like that. Alright, the front. And so the next thing that we're going to do is going to take one of my larger hearts. Let's see. I have these in pink as well, but we're using the red hearts. And they have these at the Dollar Tree in red, crystal clear, and a dark green, and pink. Okay. Now we're going to glue this right here in the middle. But before we do, I'm going to show you something here. I typed this out on Microsoft Word, and I wrote "Be My Honey," and then I cut these little, I printed these out on just regular pink cardstock. I think it was 65-pound cardstock. And the font is called Valentine Cute. And I just took my pinking shear scissors. They're really big too. And I just snipped the end like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this right at the end like that, and then glue this on here. Okay. Right here, you want to put a little bit of Fabri-Tac. And you're going to place this right here. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to dry, and then we're going to come back in and put a little ribbon here. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing I did is I made a tiny little bow out of this light pink organza ribbon, and I found this at Hobby Lobby, and it's where the ribbons are right across from the wedding section. It's not in the fabric department, and this is 3/8 of an inch wide, and I love it because it doesn't fray, and even when you're tugging on it, as you can tell, there's no fraying. So I'm going to put a little dab of Fabri-Tac there in the middle, and place this right here, right above the chenille stem right here. And of course we're going to allow that to dry. It's just to give it a little added touch. Okay. Isn't that cute? And then here's my other one. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making these a second time around. And I hope you give them a try. They're inexpensive, and it looks like you put some thought into this. So take care, and God bless each and every one of you. And I'll see you again soon.